Values of cryptocurrencies are notoriously unpredictable and can go in any direction. Take an example of Bitcoin. Just because the current market crash, the coin price has dropped to around $29,992.91 from its previous value of $40,538 as of May 2022. Stablecoins address this vulnerability. They are digital currencies whose value is pegged to another asset, most frequently the US dollar. As a result, the price of the cryptocurrency has far less volatility. DAI is one example of this type of stablecoin, and it is connected to the Maker protocol. Because of its unique decentralized characteristics, it is considered part of a new movement in finance known as decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. DeFi encompasses several different financial instruments that use blockchain technology to compete with conventional financial intermediaries, including banks, brokerages, and insurance firms. DeFi initiatives are expanding the use of blockchain technology by applying it to non-custodial services such as loans, synthetic assets, and decentralized exchanges. This contrasts with other blockchain projects such as Bitcoin, which are only used for transactions in the form of a cryptocurrency. One of these initiatives is known as Maker. Let's start our video to learn more about Maker. Maker DAO is software running on Ethereum blockchain that intends to encourage a distributed network of computers to maintain DAI. DAI is a cryptocurrency that was supposed to monitor the US dollar price. Maker DAO, which is one of the many cryptocurrencies that use decentralized finance DeFi, is a component of a more extensive system known as the Maker protocol. This protocol uses a variety of crypto assets to operate and maintain DAI without need for any bank or government to be involved. To be more specific, the Maker protocol needs to have both DAR and MKR tokens to function properly. A new DAI token is generated when you lock another cryptocurrency such as ETH on the Maker platform to take out a loan in DAI. You can return the DAI that was borrowed to claim your cryptocurrency. However, you must be cautious that the value of the cryptocurrency does not go below a particular threshold, or else it'll be sold automatically. However, the easiest way to think of DAI is the service given by the Maker protocol. On the other hand, the MKR token is the cryptocurrency asset that dictates how modifications are made to the software that keeps DAI functioning. In a nutshell, MKR tokens allow you to vote on proposals that influence how DAI can be utilized. For instance, holders of MKR tokens can vote on which cryptocurrencies can be locked in the protocol or the price at which these assets would be sold if the company were to be liquidated. The Maker project utilizes the decentralized ERC20 token known as the MKR to represent financial contributions to the initiative. The network has been an industry pioneer for a very long time. For instance, on the Ethereum network, the platform was responsible for the creation of one of the first tradable tokens ever. Maker is now one of the most well-known platforms on the Ethereum blockchain. Notably, more than 2.1 million ETH are with the Maker CDP contracts. Through a dynamic system of collateralized debt positions or CDPs, autonomous feedback mechanisms, and appropriately incentivized external actors, the MKR token helps to maintain the value of another cryptocurrency called DAI. Holders of Maker can vote on proposed changes to the platform to maintain the system's stability and keep DAI's value linked to $1 US. If the DAI cannot maintain its financial stability, the DAI system will be funded by printing and selling new MKR tokens. Anyone may use Ethereum-based assets to generate DAI by leveraging the Maker platform, letting the system hold them until the debt is paid off in an equivalent quantity of DAI, and then releasing the assets. Oasis Dex, an ERC20 exchange, is one of the places where you may buy Maker, DAI, and other Ethereum-based tokens. One of Maker's functions is to offer leverage and liquidity for this exchange. In 2015, a new digital asset known as Maker MKR was introduced to allow lenders and investors to take part in the Maker ecosystem. The network was established by computer programmer Rune Christensen. The platform's headquarters are located in Denmark. Since it was first introduced, Maker has successfully formed strategic alliances with companies like Digix, Request Network, CargoX, Swarm, and OmiseGo. These agreements enabled the OmiseGo DEX to provide users with a stablecoin alternative that is both widely used and highly dependable in the shape of DAI. Since then, many markets have increased their support for this unique project. Within the Maker system, the MKR token is essential in various contexts. For example, you could use MKR to transport value worldwide, just like Bitcoin. Using this token, it is also possible to pay the transaction fees required by the Maker system. Noteworthy is the fact that MKR may be sent and received by an Ethereum account and any smart contract that has been programmed to employ the MKR transfer function. In contrast to most cryptocurrencies, the MKR token is only ever generated or destroyed in response to fluctuations in the value of DAI. To keep the value of DAI relatively stable relative to $1, the system uses several market processes and economic incentives from the external market. It's interesting to see that DAI is almost never precisely $1. The value of the token ranges between 0.98 cents and $1.02 in the vast majority of cases. It is important to note that the MKR token is destroyed after executing a loan smart contract. Target Rate Feedback Mechanism (TRFM). When extreme market conditions are encouraged, the second protocol, TRFM, will break the USD peg to reduce the volatility of DAI. More specifically, one of the functions of the protocol is to adjust the target price at various points in time. In addition to that, there is a sensitivity parameter system. The rate of change in DAI's price is monitored by this method, and it is compared to the movement of the US dollar. If the market were to collapse completely, it could also be used to deactivate the TRFM. Collateralized Debt Position (CDP). CDP contracts are the driving force behind the autonomous nature of Maker. The Maker ecosystem is the only one that has these highly developed smart contracts. A CDP contract is triggered when you submit ERC20 tokens to the Maker platform in exchange for DAI tokens. This happens automatically. These tokens are secured within a smart contract that acts as a security for a loan. After that, you are rewarded with a certain quantity of DAI corresponding to the amount you have deposited. When the loan is paid back, the CDP smart contracts will immediately release the pledged assets as collateral. Notably, you will lose an amount of DAI equivalent to the whole amount earned by utilizing the CDP once the CDP is terminated. Maker aims to solve many challenges that have emerged from the traditional financial sector. The platform integrates a unique collection of exclusive technologies to accomplish this objective. Maker is now an essential element of the DeFi community. DeFi's mission is to give viable alternatives to the public's current centralized financial services. One of the primary issues is transparency. To solve this issue, smart contracts are utilized to eliminate the need to trust any entity. At the moment, major stablecoins like Tether USD need you to trust the network's reserves. Most of the time, you must rely on third-party auditors to verify the company's assets. Maker removes the need to rely on centralized entities. You do not need to await external audits or corporate accounts. The blockchain allows you to track the whole network. Maker goes a step forward. For example, the company's staff publishes meeting records on a company SoundCloud page for all users to listen to. MKR's primary role is to keep DAI fixed to the US dollar. This dual crypto method helps avoid volatility and gives customers more confidence in the project's stability. Maker's popularity continues to rise because of the numerous benefits it provides to the market. This unique coin fulfills several functions inside the Maker ecosystem. These features improve the token's overall usefulness. Here are some of the key advantages of owning MKR. 1. Community governance. MKR holders can engage in ecosystem governance. You have more influence over the network's destiny thanks to community governance. The decentralized governance mechanism in the Maker ecosystem is based on active proposal smart contracts. These contracts are designed to provide you control over the system and to increase transparency throughout the platform. 2. It is deflationary. MKR token implements a deflationary methodology to help retain its value over time. A small interest cost in MKR tokens is required whenever a CDP smart contract closes under this mechanism. A portion of this fee is burned, and as a result, the system can keep a healthy balance between supply and demand for this digital asset. For this reason, deflationary protocols are becoming a typical element in the DeFi market. Because of their incentive token supply procedures, early DeFi platforms are prone to inflation. Maker's developers understood that tokens could not be issued continuously without losing value. At last, let's summarize Maker. The more you learn about the MKR token, the more you will understand the valuable role that this token has served in the past and will continue to serve in the market. The Maker has demonstrated that it is one step ahead of the competition by being the first tradable Ethereum token and DAO. This network is currently more popular than it has ever been. As a direct result of this, the price of MKR has just reached new heights that are all-time records.